Hello everyone and welcome to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, and stuff I like. In this video, we're continuing our look into Cartomancy, or divination with playing cards, and today it's the 10 of clubs. The 10 of clubs in this system is known as the Traveler, and it's pretty easy to figure out when you see it. This is usually a messenger of good news, and especially traveling, whether it be for a destination wedding, a honeymoon, a work trip, or a vacation. So this will be an indicator for the reader. If you're looking into the future, the person read has either been planning a trip or should expect the trip to come up. If you're reading the past, one could assume that a person has recently taken a trip or something very significant has happened while they were traveling. That's all for the 10 of clubs. I hope this information is helpful to you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. If you're interested in having a reading done by me, then you can contact me by text if you're in the United States or visiting my website. Also, you can connect with me on all the social medias. Info for all of that is in the description down below. Finally, if you're brand new to Crazy Town, welcome again. If you haven't already, become a citizen by clicking the subscribe button and you'll be notified when the next video comes out. You can check out these in the meantime, and until then, I'll see you in the cards.